Okay, so if you're shopping for a Bluetooth electric smoker right now, you've probably noticed there are way too many options on Amazon. Some look great on paper, and then you read the reviews and it's like, yeah, no. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 digital Bluetooth electric smokers you can actually buy on Amazon right now, ranked, compared, and laid out so you can just pick the right one without the headache. All the links are down in the description. Let's get into it. All right, starting at number 1, and this one genuinely earned it, is the Masterbuilt 710 Wi-Fi digital electric smoker, model MB20070924. And look, I know what you're thinking. Wi-Fi? I thought this was a Bluetooth list. Yeah, it does both. This thing connects through the Masterbuilt app, and because it's running on Wi-Fi, you're not limited by Bluetooth range. You can be inside your house, on the couch, or anywhere on your home network, and you're still getting live updates on your cook. That's a genuinely big deal during an 8-hour smoke session. Specs: 711 square inches of cooking space across 4 chrome-coated racks. Temperature range of 100 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Patented side wood chip loader so you never crack the door open to add chips. Removable water bowl for moisture control. And a rear grease tray that makes cleanup way easier than expected. The app is where this one really pulls ahead. You can set temperatures, get push notifications, monitor your meat probes, and browse built-in recipes. It's actually useful, not just a gimmick, especially if you're the type who doesn't want to babysit a smoker all afternoon. And since the link is right there in the description, go check the current price. It fluctuates more than you'd think. Pros: Wi-Fi control from literally anywhere. Push alerts and built-in recipe guides. Patented side chip loader, no heat loss. 711 square inches cooking space, 4 racks. Cons: cost more than pure Bluetooth models. App can occasionally disconnect. Number 2 is also Masterbuilt. Yes, 2 back-to-back. But they own this category for a reason. This is the 40-inch Bluetooth digital electric smoker, model MB20074719, and the headline here is the cooking space. We're talking 970 square inches across 4 chrome-coated racks, 16 whole chickens, 4 turkeys, 8 racks of ribs, or 8 pork butts, all at once. If you're feeding a crowd or batch cooking for the week, this is the one. Bluetooth smart connectivity through the Masterbuilt app, built-in meat probe thermometer, the same patented side chip loader, and interior light, which sounds small, but you'll appreciate it when it's getting dark out. And rear wheels that actually make moving a 40-inch smoker around your patio manageable. The honest trade-off versus number 1 is Bluetooth range. 30 to 40 feet is about what you realistically get, and walls cut that down. But if you're hanging out on the patio while something smokes for 6 hours anyway, that's probably fine. Some users also mentioned the door plastic feeling a bit light, and the wood chip tray being the same size as the 30-inch model, which feels like a missed opportunity. But heat retention is solid, and the smoke flavor output consistently gets praised. Pros: 970 square inches biggest cooking space here. Built-in meat probe, real-time monitoring. Interior light more useful than it sounds. Side chip loader, no door opening needed. Cons: Bluetooth range limited, walls hurt it. Door and wood tray feel underbuilt. Number 3 is still Masterbuilt, but this model is genuinely different. This is the 30-inch Bluetooth digital electric smoker with Broiler, model MB20073519. The keyword is Broiler. This is the only electric smoker on this list, and one of very few on the entire market that lets you smoke and then broil or finish your meat in the same unit. That top broiler element is a patent-pending feature, and it changes what an electric smoker is actually capable of. Practically, you slow smoke a rack of ribs for 6 hours at low temp, then kick on the broiler at the end to get caramelization and a little char on the surface. Electric smokers get criticized all the time for great interior texture, but no real surface finish. This one answers that directly. The capacity is 730 square inches, up to 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 racks of ribs, or 4 pork butts. Bluetooth app control, built-in meat probe, side chip loader, rear grease tray, all the standard Masterbuilt stuff, plus the broiler. Is it for everyone? No. If you're strictly low and slow and never want to finish with high heat, the 40-inch gives you more space for the money. But if you want that finishing capability built right in, this is a smart, unique buy that genuinely does things the others can't. Pros: built-in broiler, unique on this list. Smoke and finish in one unit. Full Bluetooth app control. Side chip loader, no heat loss. Cons: smaller capacity than the 40-inch. Broiler adds cost over basic models. Alright, let's switch brands. Number 4 is the Dyna-Glo 30-inch digital Bluetooth electric smoker, model DGU732SDED. And this one hits a price point the Masterbuilt simply don't. If your budget is tighter but you still want Bluetooth control, this is genuinely worth looking at. Features: digital panel with easy read display, integrated meat thermometer you can monitor without opening the door, and here's one I really like. It automatically shuts off when your meat hits your target temperature. That's not always guaranteed on budget smokers. The Dyna-Glo Connect app gives you Bluetooth control over temperature, timer, and real-time firebox monitoring during your cook. Cooking space is around 732 square inches, which competes well with the Masterbuilt 30-inch models. You're not sacrificing a huge amount of space to save money here. Insulated double-wall construction helps with heat retention too. Now the honest trade-offs. The Dyna-Glo Connect app is more basic than Masterbuilt's. Fewer features, simpler interface, and currently iOS only. Android users, that's a problem. Build quality is a noticeable step below Masterbuilt. You can feel where costs were trimmed. But here's the thing. If you're newer to smoking, not sure you'll be doing this every weekend, or just want a capable Bluetooth smoker without committing full price, the Dyna-Glo does exactly what it says. The auto shutoff alone is worth appreciating. Solid, honest entry point. Pros. Most affordable Bluetooth option here. Auto shut off at target temp. Integrated meat thermometer standard. Cooking space competes with rivals. Cons. App is basic and iOS only. Build quality noticeably lighter. And now, the wild card. Number 5 is the Bradley Raven Model BS120BT. And it's in a completely different lane from everything else here. Instead of wood chips, it runs on Bradley's proprietary bisquettes, compressed wood pucks that feed automatically and burn more cleanly than chips. The result is more consistent smoke flavor and less risk of that bitter, over-smoked taste you sometimes get from chips burning too hot. PID temperature control keeps variance under 2%. That's exceptional precision, 2 meat probes with individual set points, so you can track a brisket and a rack of ribs simultaneously at different target temperatures. Bluetooth control through the Bradley iSmoke app with adjustable smoke intensity at 20, 30, or 40-minute intervals. 4 racks, powder-coated exterior, strong insulation, and a temperature range from 86 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, wider than most electric smokers on this list. The main catch, you're locked into Bradley bisquettes. They're not expensive, but it's an ongoing cost and a dependency that wood chips don't create. That's the trade-off for everything else this smoker delivers. Pros. PID precision, under 2% temp variance. Dual meat probes, 2 set points. Adjustable smoke intensity levels, 86 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, widest range here. Cons. Proprietary bisquettes required always. Premium price over competitors. Alright, stepping back and looking at all 5. A few things stand out. The Masterbuilt 710 Wi-Fi is the most capable if remote control matters. Wi-Fi versus Bluetooth is just a different league when it comes to range and reliability. That's the pick for true set it and walk away smoking. The 40-inch Bluetooth is the answer when space is the priority. Close to 1,000 square inches. Perfect for big cookouts or batch cooking. The 30-inch Broiler model is the most unique thing Masterbuilt makes. Not the biggest, not the most connected, but it does something the others genuinely cannot. Dyna-Glo is the honest budget answer. It doesn't win spec battles, but it nails the fundamentals at a price that makes Bluetooth smoking accessible. And the Bradley Raven is just operating in a different tier. For precision, clean smoke, and dual probe monitoring, nothing else on this list touches it. Whether you're a weekend BBQ person who wants something smart and easy, or someone going all in on the craft, there's a solid option here for you. Hopefully this helped you actually decide instead of just opening 5 more tabs. If it did, drop a like. It genuinely helps. Thanks for watching, and go make something delicious.